In this video, we are going to see about the amendments related to return of income and PAN. Okay. According to this amendment, the discontinuation of the provisions allowing quoting of Aadhaar enrollment ID in the place of Aadhaar number. Okay. According to the section 139A of the Income Tax Act that mandates that individual is eligible to obtain the Aadhaar number must quote it in the PAN application and also in the return of income, that is ITR filing. Okay. Previously, if the person did not have the Aadhaar, they were allowed to quote the enrollment ID. Okay, allowed to quote the enrollment ID of their Aadhaar application during this application of PAN number and also in the return of income filing. Okay, but this provision is now discontinued. The option of quoting Aadhaar enrollment ID is discontinued from 1/10/24. Okay, and also it is further provided who has been allotted permanent account number on the basis of enrollment ID of the Aadhaar application shall intimate his Aadhaar number on or before a notified date. So, this amendment, this is the discontinuation of option to quote Aadhaar enrollment ID will be discontinued. Okay, this is the one of the important related to PAN and income tax return filing. Second one is appeals. This is related to CMA final. Okay, according to this amendment, the first one, okay, from 1/9/24, an appeal can be filed before the commissioner against a search order passed under section 158 BC of subclass 1 of C. Okay, this is related to assessment of undisclosed income for block period. Okay, and second one is related to the power of commissioner. Okay, power of the commissioner. The commissioner appeals is now empowered to set aside an assessment. Okay, where it is made as a best judgment assessment under section 144. When best judgment assessment will be, the assessee doesn't compile with the notice. Okay, at the time best judgment assessment will be there and refer the case back to AO for making a fresh assessment. This is the second one. What is the third one? The third one is related to appeal against a section 158 BFA, that is appealable before the income tax appellate authority. This is related to interest and penalties in the block assessment. Okay, so the order under section is appealable before income tax appellate authority tribunal. Okay, and fourth one, time limit for the appeal has been given in this fourth point. The appeal before the income tax appellate tribunal may be filed within 2 months, okay, from the end of the month in which the order being appealed is communicated to the assessee or the principal commissioner or the commissioner. Okay, these are all the amendments related to appeal and the PAN. Thank you.